Welcome to the jungle, green and bright. We're going on a safari today, all right? Look at the trees, so big and tall. Let's meet the animals, one and all. Up in the branches, swinging so fast. It is a monkey, zooming right past.
The monkey says ooh, ooh, ah, ah as he plays.
Can you say ooh, ooh? Let's hear what you say. Jungle safari, step by step. Marching together, right, left, right, left. Jungle safari, wild and free. Come along and sing with me. Stomping the ground with a heavy, big sound. It is an elephant shaking the ground. The elephant trumpets pa-rooo with his nose. Can you say pa-rooo? Let's see how it goes. Jungle safari, step by step. Marching together, right, left. Jungle safari, wild and free. Peeking through grass with a shiny gold mane. It is a lion, the king of the plain. The lion says roar. So loud and so proud. Jungle safari, step by step. Marching together, right, left. Jungle safari, wild and free. Come along and sing with me. The sun is going down. The sky is so gold. The monkey says ooh, ooh, ooh.
The elephant goes pa-rooo. The lion says roar. The frog goes croak, croak.
Let's sing it all again.